Everyone told Joe that renting was throwing money away. His parents said it at every family dinner. His coworkers said it like it was common sense. Even social media seemed to scream the same thing every day. Stop paying your landlord's mortgage. For a while, Joe believed him. So he started house hunting. And eventually, he found one. A beautiful house. Price? $380,000. He got excited. He ran the mortgage calculator. Monthly payment? About $2,040. Joe smiled. That's manageable. Most people stop there. Joe didn't. One night, he opened a spreadsheet and decided to calculate the real cost. Not the sales brochure cost. The real cost. Mortgage? $2,040. Property tax? $420. Home insurance? $130. Maintenance fund? $310. Total monthly cost? $2,900. Joe stared at the screen because he was currently paying $1,800 in rent. That's an extra $1,100 every month. Every single month. More than $13,000 a year. And then Joe realized something nobody had ever told him. When you rent, your monthly payment is usually the most you'll spend that month. When you own, your mortgage payment is usually the least. Because houses have a funny way of finding new ways to cost you money. The water heater doesn't care about your budget. The roof doesn't wait until you're ready. The plumbing doesn't ask for permission. Something always breaks, and it always seems to happen at the worst possible time. But Joe wasn't finished. He wanted to know the full story. So he looked at what that $380,000 house would really cost over 30 years. Mortgage interest? Over $400,000. Property taxes? About $150,000. Insurance? Around
Insurance? $45,000. Maintenance? $120,000. Total real cost of that $400,000 house? Over $1,100,000. Joe did not feel angry when he saw that number. He felt something quieter than that. Like someone had finally turned a light on. So Joe kept renting. And he took that $1,100 monthly difference and invested it. Every single month, automatically. Not because renting is always the right answer. Because for Joe, right now, with his timeline and his numbers, waiting was the smarter move. And 3 years later, that $1,100 a month has quietly become something that actually matters. Renting is not always throwing money away. Sometimes, it is the most financially intelligent decision you can make. Do the full calculation before anyone else's opinion makes it for you. Team rent or team buy right now? Drop it in the comments.